If you did not subscribe our channel yet, so please go to the subscribe button, red color, and click this. And if you want to get notification of each video, so select all here. So now you have subscribed our channel, you will get new video every time. Today we are going to tell you about blow molding machine. This is the blow molding machine, how it will work. So first we have to check here that in automation that when press will be closed itself. So after that you can see that nozzle of this cylinder is upside. When pressure will come, that time injection will go, it will be go down, and as well as fitting will be over. So that time it will be take the material for next step or next product. So when it will be full, that time your press will be open. So how it will be work, we will show you again one time. Now you can see that press is opening, and what you have made inside, so that time it will be dropped. When it will be over, so that time it will be dropped itself. So that is the things here. Now in full detail, that one cylinder for toggle and one cylinder direct operating, that we can operate this cylinder through a pressure gauge or pressure transducer or pressure switch, whatever we want to use. This machine was basically 20-liter bottle. We made here only PET bottle to show you that here that all parts already we have described in our previous video. The cylinder working, toggle working, and injection ports also we told you about this, and many types of our injection ports, and this is screw barrel, and also that one video of your hydraulic power pack already we have uploaded there. You can watch if you want to know anything about that. We will tell you again. But here that only one thing is special. That is the head of this. Only head is the extra, and you can see that if you are using this machine, so we have to put some cover and some stand to hang out here. So we did not make here. You have our purpose that to describe the value of your machine or parts, or your what is the working, and what can we do in the machine for preventive and to run this machine only. So first we will tell you that what is the difference in the this nozzle. That one thing you can see that this cylinder is the, you can throw out, we have to put here air. When your product will be inside, so that time your air pressure will enter in this portion, and we will give the when your suppose that your press is closed and metal will come from this nozzle to your mold. So that time it will be in shape of pipe, like a pipe. So when because metal is very hot, so that time air will be enter, and air pressure will expand your material inside of your mold. So it will be take the shape of your mold, so you can make your bottle here inside this. So what is the difference in this? What is the specialty of this nozzle? This nozzle we told you. We tell you now. Now we removed heater of this. This is the housing inside, and we transfer this, and this nozzle in solid form now. This thing. When material will be entered from this barrel. This is the screw barrel. Metal will enter here. You can see here that this is the space between housing and nozzle. So that time metal will enter from here, and upper side you can see that this is the block is here jammed. So your metal will not go upside, because all things are here that very heat, because we are using heater to heat up. So that time metal will go throughout this hole. This is the you can see here that material will come to here, because your now this cylinder, suppose that your small cylinder is closed now this time. So that time what is the working of this, you can see here. We show you again that now you can see that nozzle is, this portion will become, and suppose mold is closed, so that time your metal will come throughout this, and it will be go down like a pipe. When your mold will be closed, that time air will enter from the upper part of your cylinder from here, and from this point. So because this is the hole is throughout, so that time air will enter in this mold, and it will be expand your material, and you can get your product from this. We can make many types of injection molding here, and blow molding system is the same as per injection molding, but only depends that that what we are using in as a material, and where what time when we are give the air pressure in the mold. In injection molding, simply we give the air to cool our product, but here we are giving the air after putting the material inside, and to expand your material to give the shape as per our mold. So this is the blow mold. So it means all parts already we have discussed about this machine. Only head is the balance. So if you are making that, suppose if you have don't any money, big money to purchase new machine, so next time we will tell you that how we can change or modify our machine to make PET bottle on horizontal machine only. Till then, you can watch, and if you like this video and you have learned something, so please like this video. Thank you very much.